Welcome to Sisterhood and Self-Love, Navigating Relationships with Strength. It's your girl, S. Dot, coming in hot with some good word that I got. Each week, we unpack relationship truths in bite-sized segments. And today, we're exploring respect for independence. Let's dive in, sisters. Segment 13, respect for independence. In a healthy relationship, both partners respect each other's independence. If someone tries to control what you see, what you do, or how you spend your time, it's a warning sign. True love encourages each other's growth and respects personal freedoms. Remember, a good partner supports your individuality, not stifle it. Thanks for tuning in to Sisterhood and Self-Love. Share this episode with someone who might need a little reminder of what healthy love looks like. You are worthy, you are powerful, and you are enough. Peace.